Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial we are going to be learn how to create Discord account on your mobile or Android device, we can say. So the process is going to be very easy, but make sure that do watch the video completely in order to get it perfectly. First of all, head to your Discord account, right here. So click on this register button in order to create a new account. Now you can either put your phone number or email to register your account. So let's say here I'm adding my email address so that we can proceed, and now click next to proceed, and here you have to pick a username for your Discord account. Let's say sample for you and password, and then click next and choose your date of birth. So let's pick a random date of birth and then click next. After that you have to solve this puzzle. And now, so here you can choose your profile picture or any avatar to proceed. You can choose a picture by clicking this Discord icon, or you can choose any of the icon from here. After that, let's quick and now in last you have to verify your email address or phone number if you put any of them. So guys, when you verify the email address successfully, you will be able to log in with your Discord account. So guys, that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.